Yo man, it's 8 a.m. in the morning. Kakagising ko lang. To be honest, I already have a really bad day. Kailangan ko simulan yung araw ko with a stressful day. But I meditate earlier, constantly remind myself na I don't have full control over it. I don't have full control over kung ano yung sasabihin ng tao sa akin, over my stressful situation. But what I can control is this. This one's the best thing to handle a stressful situation, especially in the morning. Bili ako ng tape kaya ako mag-gumising. Tape. 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 Tape ability. Tape. Tape. Okay. Wala ka masyadong malaki po. Ayun, nakabili na ako ng tape. And tutuloy ko sinasabi ko kasi naputol. Pero yeah, I already have a very stressful day. Pero sabi ko nga, we don't have full control over it. Kung naman yung masamang bagay na mangyari to your day. But what you can do is control your own action and reaction with it, Minsan, ang ginagawa na iba if they already have a bad day, pagigising sila, they always stress up. They always fumble their day. And they do nothing kasi they're scared to do everything kasi they failed. They already failed. But what you can do is reflect with your thoughts, man. Humble yourself and keep talking to yourself for positive. That's it, man. I just go back home, bro. And the reason bakit ako bumili ng tape is sira na kasi yung ring light ko na ginagamit ko most of my videos. So, almost a year and a half, ito yung ginagamit ko. I mean, hindi ito. Yung isa, sira na kasi yung wire nun. Saka pinagtitisan ko na lang araw-araw. And ito, bakit di siya kailangan ni tape? Ngayon niya kasi pumihit. Wala na siyang lock. So, kailangan talaga pagpursigahan to. So, ayun. After working with this for a while, tapos ko na hindi na ako makagawa ng video for today, like value content kasi man, it's already 9 a.m. and gising sila lahat sa bahay and that means I have a lot of distractions sa paligid ko and yeah, I'm still with my parents and minsan may ingay yung kapatid ko that I cannot do contents, man. I hate it. I cannot do anything about it. I want to share something with you guys kasi sobrang gulo ng schedule ng araw ko last week. And I used to procrastinate even the easier tasks kasi sobrang tiring ng day, sobrang busy, sunod-sunod yung practice. And hindi ko na nagagawa yung mga bagay na kailangan kong gawin, which is my real priorities in life. Pero I set a rule for myself na gagawin ko para hindi malikaw yung araw ko. And I promise myself that I'm only gonna trade 3 to 5 times a week, which is ginagawa ko naman. And I always practice every day and always review my journals as well as my losses and my mistakes. And for my contents, ginagawa ko na rin naman siya 2 times video daily. And the rest of it was vlogs and affiliates. To be honest, sobrang nag-struggle talaga ako when it comes to marketing and sales. But hindi mo kasi makukuha yung isang bagay if you don't do it ulit-ulit and with repetition. And for the startups, yan, abangan yung gagawin kong i-release ko na my own business plan. And to be honest, hindi ko talaga alam if I'm gonna do brand-based, product-based, or a skill-based startup. Pero siguro mag-focus na ako sa startups ng skill-based, which is yun naman meron ako eh. Siguro either SMMA or I don't know, maybe a course or a coaching. One of the best thing that you can do if meron kang gustong simulan na isang bagay is, I know lagi nyo na itong narinig at sobrang common na naririnig nyo among the creators out here in TikTok. Pero, the reality is, you cannot start a thing if hindi mo talaga yan sisimulan. most of my passion and my hobbies, it just come out of nowhere and ginawa ko lang siya out of boredom, you know. And, you know, this content creation stuff, I used to be scared too, man. I used to be scared kung pangit ba yung background ko. And I always hate the way I talk to people. Iniisip ko yung lighting ko. But you don't need to be perfect at first. One of the best thing that you can do is don't force yourself to be perfect sa isang bagay agad. But rather, just start it, man. Just enjoy it. Kasi as along the journey, doon mo naman na makifigure out all your mistakes. And how can you learn in your mistakes if hindi ka nagkakamali? And that's the real purpose of you failing in your own journey. Ilang beses na ako nag-fail, ilang beses na nag-fumble up yung mga contents ko, sobrang pangit ng contents ko dati. But after a year being consistent, here we are, trying to achieve our own dreams. Malayo pa tayo sa bagay na gusto natin, pero malayo na rin ako sa dating naging ako. Thank you so much guys for keep watching my video, and I promise to post more lot of value contents na mapapanood nyo. And I used to have a lot of friends na they're very scared to start, whether it's content creation or outside of it. Fear and having doubts in yourself is very common, and ako especially nararanasan ko yan almost every fucking single day. Walang araw na hindi ako natakot and nagduda sa sarili ko kung am I actually capable of the things to achieve all the goals that I have in my life. Pero once kasi narinig ka rin sa thoughts that you have in your mind, man, unti-unti kang kakainin yan. Lalo, it's full of negativity, it's full of negative thoughts. You don't listen to what comes into your thoughts, man. Lalo na kung it's full of negative, because you unconsciously act in ways that makes it come true. And one of the best thing to do is, man, just start it. You don't need to be perfect at the start. Sometimes, nagsimula ka talaga sa wala. And even me, I'm not yet in the best better version of yourself, but we're still working for it. And as you can see, I'm not the best editor in the world. I'm not the best storyteller in the world. Most of my videos was just was just raw video of mine. And I just document my stuff because I enjoy it. One of the importance of you documenting and showing your own progress is nagkakaroon ka kasi ng authenticity sa audience mo. And sometimes, those people, they don't want perfect things. They don't want perfect stuff. All they want is authenticity from you. Totoo ka ba sa sarili mo? Are you showing your true self? Are you being your own self? That's what authenticity is. And authenticity is being honest and true in yourself. Okay? Always be honest and true in yourself. Minsan, it's also important to show your losses, yung mga sides na hindi nakikita ng audience mo, kasi karamihan sa mga tao, they always see the outside part, not kung ano ba yung nangyayari on the deeper part. They always see just the shallow part of it. Pero yeah, they always see the results, they always see kung gaano ka nakagaling sa isang bagay, but they don't see how much effort you put in dun sa bagay na gusto mo talaga. They don't see the sacrifices, yung mga bagay na ginawa mo, pinagdaanan mo para lang maging ganun. So yun, babakbak na naman ako ng mahaba-habang biyahe. And to be honest, mahabang bakbakan na naman to ng commutan. And to be honest guys, I really regret not vlogging my life since I was a kid. Actually, di ko naman fashion tong vlogging, pero na-discover ko lang. Kasi I just realized I just realized the importance of you trying to document your own journey. Kasi when you finally got the success or the kind of life that you always wanted, meron kang laging babalikan. And ito yung mga memories na yun. And minsan kasi yung mga memories nawawala pero when you upload it and nakarating ka na sa type of life na gusto mo, meron kang babalikan and a lot of people can be inspired by you and you're also gonna be inspired by yourself and you're gonna be thankful on your younger self because you didn't give up. You actually act on those words na sinabi mo and a lot of people gonna be inspired by you because you're just a kid trying to dream and you have a lot of these crazy visions in your head. But look, where you at now, bro? And to be honest, yes, hindi ko siya passion dati. Dati ginagawa ko, nag-vlog talaga ako just out of nowhere and puro kabaliwan at kagagawa ng mga pinagagawa ko sa buhay ko. Like, out of nowhere, I'm just gonna take a vlog and I don't actually upload it. And siguro, one of the factor reasons is wala akong maayos na phone dati. Isa yun sa mga factor na naisip ko kaya hindi ako nakag-vlog dati kasi sobrang pangit na quality ng camera ko. Pero I think, that's not an excuse. Pero siguro ngayon kung nandito ko sa level ng drive ng passion at gusto ko kasi talaga, siguro kahit kung wala akong investment ng iPhone and Vivo pa rin yung gamit ko, I will still vlog about my day. Pero I'm thankful myself because I invested in this phone. Actually, di ko naman expected na mag-vlog talaga ako with this. Pero glad to have it, man. Thanks be to God. Habang bakbakan to, man. Siyempre, mag-gusto ko lang muna ako. Late na yung orasan ko. Hindi ko alam anong oras na. Siguro, it's 12:40, man. So, yun. Bad news. Nasiraan ako ng motor. I mean, feel ko hindi siya sira kasi basta nagtulog ako. Ang layo na tinulak ko. Man, it's so hot in the Philippines, man. Pero feel ko kasi wala na akong gas kasi kulay-pula na yung pero may gas naman sa bahay, re-refillan ko na naman. Pero magtutulak talaga ako po because I'm late, man. Friend kasama, kasi friends na pala bro ko ito ba? Dapat ka kasama sa libre. Kasi kaya mo ba yan? Ano pa tingin ang hindi mga gawa?
May kulay wood sa dulo.
Bakit ang gawa mo nung report mo sa kanya?
Details yun, gunggong. Hindi ka lang details na ngayon.
Bakit ang gawa mo? Gagawin ka na? Mas bakit yung
Bakit ako pagawin mo?
Pag talaga pumangit yung artwork ko, aking
Oo, tama ka pa. Tama ah. O, tama, bengkong oh. Oo, palis. Bengkong.
Uy, gago, di bantay.
Si Ispor. Sa kanya kasi may style sa'yo, wala eh. Ha?
Ikaw, uwi ako. Pero ang totoo, mag-CR lang talaga ako. Mga ungas! Ano na yung presyo ngayon?
Bakit? Si Aso mo sinabi ng packing ba?
20 ba yan?
30.
30 yan? Huh? Where's that?
Pakot yan eh.
Ay, bibili mo pa ako lang, pe. Libre mo ako? Ha? Jollibee yan.
Friday na!
Hindi kaya ng oras ko sa Friday.
Yan mo.
Price. 30 na yan na. Grabe ang inflation sa school. Ngayon na kayo makakita ng french fries na 30 pesos sa school. Bro, like what the fuck. Outside of school, 20 lang yan, 10. Hindi ko alam kung di na kasi ako bumibili sa labas. Pero siguro 30. Pero sa school lang kayo makakita ng ganong yung klase ng inflation. Ang init, guys. Hey, ganda ng plants, oh. Plants.
Andun sa kanti! Di nga mo! Hoy!
Wala nang araw. Saan punta? Wala akong ba?
Malunet next week.
Nag-dip ako ng dim ako. I can't stay no to myself, you know?
Kabarat ako lima!
The only goal we have is pwede naman natin gawin pagtapos ng rally. Shout out! I don't know where are we going, but we need to find... Ay, chismis ako. Kasi ate, alam mo ba in-interview ako nung nakaraan yan?
English pa ako noon. Kailangan daw English yung sagot ko kasi syempre English yung subject. English din yung sagot ko.
Bakit yung sa akin Taglish nung in-interview ako ng friends ko?
Hindi ko lang alam, pero ano, English research eh. Pero kasi yung tanong niya sa akin, how can you improve your English vocabulary and English speaking skills?
Naman eh.
I mean, obvious naman na English, syempre sagutin ko ng English. Pero kailangan ito English. Di man lang ako pinagtaglis. Di man lang ako,
mag-English.
di naman ako binasaya.
Friends ko.
Di naman ako binasaya. This is the happy part of the high school. I hate sitting in class for like fucking 8 hours. Pero I love being with this kind of shit. Ito naman na mababago eh. Wala ka nang ginagawa. Tsaka sabi mo nga, di ba ayaw mo? Sabi ko ikaw mag-edit, ayaw mo eh.
Hindi ko sinabi, ayaw ako mag-edit. Sabi ko, ako mag-ayaw.
Rest lang yun, edit. Ayusin mo.
Bakit naman edit mo? Parang vlog lang eh.
Isn't it the same? Isn't it the same? Parang vlog lang.
Parang vlog lang talaga.
Sabi nga ni Banawa.
Parang binlog mo lang yung buhay ni Bati.
Oo, ano naman?
Ano naman?
Bakit nung papanahon ba ni Basilio tsaka ni Rizal wala nang effects na gano'n?
Oo, ano naman?
At least makata ako. At least makata ako. Yun, di ba na-memorize mo hanggang patring? Gamitan mo ng kamay. Alright, sa pinakasimula. So, ako na lang. Again na. Vlog natin. Go.
The sovereignty of people family of in order to build
Yung ideals mo, ginawa mong ideas kanina, mamamalian ka doon. Yung ideals mo, ginawa mong ideas. Tapos nawawalan ka ng da. Alam mo yung da? Kunyari ito, society, nawawala sa'yo yung end. Ang sinasabi mo lang, in order to build a just
son.
human society. Nawawalan ka ng end, da.
Saan mo? Just in.
Just, end. No, minsan nawawala sa yung end.
Hindi.
Nawawala sa yung nawawala sa yung that, nawawala
Wala
sa
naman
yung
dyan eh.
Pero government.
Government, sabi ko.
Okay, ulitin mo. Hindi ka kasi nakikinig sa mali mo. Kapag hindi ka nakikinig sa mali mo, hindi mo maayos at maayos to. Okay? Ulitin mo. Sa pagkakasabi mo, mamamainasan ka rin doon.
We, the,
Oh, ganun yung, hindi yung we, the sovereign. Lagyan mo yung da, lagyan mo ng exaggeration. Lagyan mo ng da, we, da.
we, the, sovereignty of the people, imploring the
Gonna show us the progress.
Pwede na ako para mag-plumber.
Yes, man.
Pwede na ako gumawa nito sa Lego eh.
Pwede ka na tumero. Mga na malupit na intro, Demiao. Ay, babae, sarap na eh. 1, 2, 3, go! What's up mga kabetlog? Welcome back to our vlog. Ngayon, mambabalagbag kami ng practice sa cheer dance. Anong role mo, Demiao? Cheer dance? Ako, target din pa. Target to. Audience impact ako eh. Soon to be vlogger yan. Ako, vlogger lang ako ng ano. Gusto ko lang. Gusto ko lang mag-video. Out of nowhere. High school life para high school life. High school life para high school life. High school life para high school life. High school life. Wow! Wow! Ayan, kanya-kanya silang cheer dance. May cheer dance kami, ayaw lang magsimula. May grupo pa doon. Grupo dito. May grupo din doon. So right now, I'm with Banawa. Ayun niya ako sumama sa vlog. Hindi, real vlog talaga to. I-upload ko talaga to. Promise. Ito, sasama na kita. Okay, she's my friend. Say ho. One of the beautiful, beautiful. Pretty guys out. Hi guys.
Tiger Thunder.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Kaya nga yung mga ulan eh, di ginamit.
Julie. They're practicing, bro. Mga tropa kayo, mga tropa yun. Ang kulit to. They're having a debate, Oxford debate.
When you're criticizing someone, that person that were being criticized,
Oh my
have
goodness.
two options.
Criticizing someone that's
Either-
very fucking
either
bad.
take it as a good thing or take it as a bad thing.
Oh my goodness.
When you're taking it
Do you
as a
agree
bad
with this
thing,
statement?
You should take it as a good thing because you'll learn from it.
doesn't like it.
Right?
But, Picture. Oh, picture. Game. Banat. Oh, game mo. Ano daw, game. Tama, mas ganyan makulod. Okay, bilang. Kami na kami gagawa niya. Tayo! Putang ina. Ay, mga tropa natin magkakasama. Ay guys, sa vlog ko guys. Hello. Tayo na may mga tropa natin yan. Doon ako. What up, G?
Pakyo ka sagad.
Hi guys. Iyan, bawak puwet. Kian's butt. We got Spider-Man here, Jason Todd.
Andrew Garfield. I know. But even better, Miles Morales.
Jason Todd.
I'm 1% black.
Miles Morales is black. You're
I'm
not
1% black. I'm 1%
No, you're
black.
tan. You're Asian.
Philippines is black.
No.
Philippines.
You're racist.
No.
Racist.
It's not racist.
Racist.
Facts.
Racist.
Black.
Racist. Yeah.
No, cameraman niya.
Yeah.
Okay na yung tela na.
Sa internet, kailan na.
Selos si Lino. Honest homegirl.
Oh my God. Look at that ass.
Pag nahablot yung wallet ko, tangina ka, hawakan mo yung wallet ko.
Rodriguez.
Day.
That's cool.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Picture mo, Julie.
Tayo na lang.
Kulangot.
Pag ito nag-boom, tayo lang kasama sa vlog kasi yun eh. Ay gusto mo, kasama ka. Dito ka.
Guys, sa second.
Gustado na kami. Ngayon na pa kami nag-practice. Kumpulan eh, no? Kumpulan eh, no? Mga OG yan, mga OG. OG to. Ito OG. OG rin.
Hi guys.
OG Won.
OG Negro.
OG Won.
Ay, OG Negro daw ah.
Mga OG Negro. Yo, man.
Search mo nga Rine.
Dito na ako titingin kasi kasyang kitang-kita naman eh. Natamad ako sa cellphone, di ko makita ang labo.
Yung future resume natin paglaki.
Resume yan. Gagawa ka ng paragraph sa resume.
Yan.
Sa third line na
Basahin na lang nila.
sa paggawa at pagtupad sa hawak niyang parang pataas daw yun eh.
Ang labo ng ng copy ko sa cellphone. Third line.
Sa halip na pangangambang shake down.
That's my brother, bro. What the fuck, you are my brother.
1, 2, 3, go!
Sa halip na pangangkam, siya'y taong mapaglingkod. Yun lang.
Siya'y hindi makaako pagkataong makagawa.
Parang wala nagbago.
Ba't pamilyar yung ganung post mo? Pamilyar. Lagi niya ginagawa.
Iconic post ko lang.
Iconic.
Guys,
Ano yan? Alexis Miles,
Straight
trademark.
makaako pagkataong makajos.
Hindi makatao, pagkataong makadiyos.
Kung siya isang kawani.
Mag-isa ka lang dyan.
Guys, di nyo nagagawa yung second stanza, third line.
Hindi ka kita talaga.
Ketchapan yan.
Kachapan, no? Game. Di ako kasali pero mananalo ako.
Kian is gone again. I'm with Ralph. Hi, Ralph.
Hello.
Going back to our classroom. We're gonna take our stuff. Hi, Zico! Oh my god. I'm finally here. Oy, naka-video ako para sa vlog ni Kian. Yan. Hindi yan, kayo magluyan yan. Okay, let's go. We're gonna go na Abbas is carrying Kian's and John Bur's bag.